Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max from year 2012 to year 2019. And if you guys need to remove or replace liftgate, trunk, tail light assembly, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. There is a trick and 3 hidden clips, guys, that if you don't do it right, you will break it, okay, and you need to replace it with a new one. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys need to buy new tail light assembly parts, tools for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's explain how to do that now. So now for the liftgate tail light assembly, we need to remove that cover. You need to get kind of like underneath, pry it out, pry that cap out. Right here, guys, okay, you have one thing that you need to turn. That's kind of like the screw holding it there. So you can use a screwdriver or you can turn it by hand as well. It works either way. So let's go ahead, do that now. Okay, almost getting there. Perfect, came out. Now, right here, guys, if you pay attention, okay, right there. There shouldn't be anything else holding, but there will be a couple clips holding that tail light assembly. So we're going to close the liftgate a little bit by hand. Okay, like that, because we will need to be, okay, prying that thing, guys. It has a couple clips, so let me pass now the camera so I can go ahead and grab that thing with 2 hands. Okay, let's see if we can shake it. You have a couple guides. Okay, it needs to come straight out, guys. Okay, okay, straight out. Now here we can get a plastic prying tool and get between the two of those. Okay, okay, perfect. You can see, but never pry right here, because no, that's not good. You need to get it with your fingers underneath, because that glass is super gentle, guys. You pry it a little bit sideways, it touches here, you break your tail light. It's done. Those are the plastic guides that we have right here. 1, 2, 3 over there, and the wiring harness is right here. You just press down in the middle, disconnect it, and that the liftgate tail light assembly came out just like that. So that's how you guys remove the rear tail light assembly. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.